Hi there and welcome to the Tech Doctor. My name is Mark. 6 years ago today, on the day of recording this, I closed my business, the Tech Doctor Network Proprietary Limited. I spent 6.5 years travelling the Yarra Valley and all across Melbourne, Australia, doing IT support for home users and small businesses. I closed the business for family reasons and I kept doing IT support since then. Today is the day to relaunch the Tech Doctor in a completely new way, helping you to be comfortable with your computer and fixing some of the simplest and most irritating computer problems, all right here using the magic of YouTube. I'm going to teach you the tips and tricks that I've gleaned over 35 years working IT support.
Some of the content will be really simple, other topics will be more complicated. The best thing to do would be to click the subscribe button below, then you can be notified when each new video comes out. I really appreciate your support. Thank you.